to FairPrice XTRA JEM. My name is Cheryl and I'll be your host for today. Thank you for coming to our store and we're so excited that all of you are here. And we are here for the Lotte Mart Express in JEM. And we just opened the store. Okay, we'll be bringing her on very, very soon. So, may I welcome DAYOUNG on stage. So, hi DAYOUNG, thank you for coming.
Hi everyone, my name is DAYOUNG. How are you guys?
DAYOUNG, thank you so much for coming to FairPrice XTRA JEM. And I know you just came to one of our FairPrice stores 2 months ago.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so what do you love about supermarkets?
Okay, I really love to sing and then finding Korean products in the supermarket and then oh really, thank you. Thank you so much. And then I could find a lot of Korean products in the supermarket and then I really loved it.
Wow, that's wonderful. So, does this store, the new Lotte Mart Express, remind you of the Lotte stores back at home in Korea?
Oh yes, it's very familiar and then I think it's even better than us.
Wow!
Yes, that's really amazing. Yes.
So we just took a little walk just now.
Yes.
Did you see something you like?
Oh yeah. Oh really? Oh thank you. And then I saw there over there I saw topping done. Yeah. So you guys can customizing your own ramen.
That's right.
Yeah, ramen.
Yeah.
I will buy you. Yes, and then the topping done was amazing. And then I think and then I saw the rice cake John.
Yeah, we have rice cakes.
Yeah, rice cakes and that's amazing. Yes, there's a lot of food and oh thank you. Yes.
Okay, so today we actually want to showcase a lot of the very authentic Korean food. We have chefs from Lotte flown in from Korea and they will cook for us and show us how to do the classic Korean authentic stuff. And we also have a Korean bartender who will make cocktails and mocktails using the Good Today beverages.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so we're gonna let you try later. And how do you find this event, with all your fans in store waiting for you?
I really love my fans, and I really love you guys, and I'm so happy to be here, and thank you for inviting me, and I really want to come here very often.
We would love to have you very often.
I want to do shopping with them.
That would be fantastic. So, you're a global K-pop star, and we know how popular your music is. Just another shout out to how popular she is.
Body doesn't know more rock star.
Yeah, so
Put your body
we love that. So, isn't it great that we have a store like this to share the Korean culture with your fans and with Singaporeans?
Mm-hmm. Oh yes. I think there are many Korean culture food and then many Korean food and then their culture. So I think we can more connected these days. So we can share foods and then thoughts and then sharing stories. So it really means a lot to me. Yes. It feels more connected.
Yes, it's really nice. Yes. So I heard you say earlier that you really like the rice cake, the 3-colored honey rice cakes that we have.
Oh, sorry, the rice cake.
Yeah, so we'll try that later. And we just shared also that there is a Singaporean way to eat the rice cake.
Oh, That's very was interesting. I heard you guys are eating a salted rice cake with milk. Oh no? No? Really? It was. They said it's not real.
We will have to try with the milk. It's like cereal. It's like cereal. You put it in like cereal.
Okay.
That's a Singaporean way.
Okay, I heard like some of Singaporeans, some of Singaporeans like eating rice cake with milk, and then like that was really inspired me a lot. So like I will try.
So would you like to try the rice cake with milk as well?
Yes. As for now, let's eat rice cake with milk. Let's do it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so thanks for sharing with us, DAYOUNG. But we're gonna play some games right now. Do you guys want to win some vouchers and play some games? So, we're gonna give away some prizes if you answer simple questions. So, do I have my standby mic at the side? Yes, okay. We're gonna ask 3 questions, and every question answered correctly gets you $100 FairPrice Group e-voucher. Okay, $100. Okay, so we're gonna ask for the first volunteer. Who would like to volunteer? Okay. Yes, the lady over there. Okay, first question. DAYOUNG just won the Best Solo Artist Award at the Korea Grand Music Awards. Which year was that?
Which year was that?
This year.
2025 you say, and that is correct. Okay. On a count of 3, the first hand up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Between Korean sweet desserts and savory snacks, which type does DAYOUNG like? Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
달콤한 건
Correct. This is the last question and answer. Okay, so let's see together. Okay, who raised the hands the fastest? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay, third question and the final Q&A. The food cart, do I have it? Okay, I'll ask the question. We have 3 new dishes from Yorihara Kitchen. Which one is DAYOUNG's favorite? Is it the squid kimchi pancake? Okay, our colleague here is showing squid kimchi pancake. Is it the 3-colored honey rice cakes, or is it the mixed vegetables and sweet potato fritters? Okay, so the answer is
The 3-colored honey rice cake.
that is correct.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
They all answered correctly.
Oh, yes.
So congratulations to our 3 Q&A winners, but let's not stop there, shall we? Bonus prize. Okay, we're gonna play one more game. We're gonna play the mass pose challenge. What does this mean? Everybody pose together when we put a word or card up. Okay, we're gonna take some very nice pictures together. We're gonna put some poses up, so when we say the word, which will show up the card, you all just pose. And we will, from each round, choose the cutest. And out of the cutest, we'll choose the cutest. Okay? Are you ready? Come to the front first. The first pose. Okay, by the way, the cutest of the cutest will win a $200 FairPrice Group e-voucher. First pose. The word is 사랑해. 사랑해. Okay, we're gonna select you as one of the cute ones. Okay, in the running for the $200. Next card. The next card is Tebak. What's Tebak? Tebak. Okay, Tebak. Let's see who's a good Tebak.
Oh, there she is.
Well, okay, we'll choose the lady in front here as one of the cute ones. Last one, okay, last chance. Last one, give us your most determined fighting!
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Yeah?
Like blue hat with glasses.
The blue hair with glasses! Yay! Okay, now we will have to choose one of you to give the $200 to. Okay? Okay, how about we pass you the mic? Okay, three of you, we pass you the mic. Sing one line from DAYOUNG song. Okay? Then we choose.
Who can do that?
Okay, pass the mic. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Put your body on my body. Put your body in the body. Do it like you.
Very good! Such a good singer! Okay, next person. Let's try. 1, 2, 3.
I'll be your number one rock star, lately your number one rock star. Yeah, 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 yeah. And you're gonna love me right.
Okay, they nailed both songs. One last one. Oh no, what are you gonna sing?
What are you gonna sing? What are you gonna sing? Oh yeah, okay, like Body, we're number one rock star.
You can sing the same song, no problem.
Oh my god, she's just so shy. Okay, I will sing for you together. Okay, you wanna sing like Body or number one rock star or Marry Me?
Jokowi! Jokowi!
Body? She wants Body. Okay.
Jokowi!
1, 2, 3. Put your body on my body. When you come and make a move. And the body and the money, they can do it like you.
Wow, that was amazing. Thank you for singing along. And I think the best singer is definitely over there. So congratulations for winning the $200 FairPrice Group e-voucher, and for our two other friends, you also get $100. Okay, congratulations to all our 6 winners today. And thank you for being so sporting. And DAYOUNG, we really want to thank you for spending your time with us today.
Me more.
It was really exciting to be here on stage with you. And here is a small token of our appreciation.
No! Thank you so much! Thank you guys! Thank you so much! Aw, I'm so happy! Aw, me too. 나도. Guys, I think it's time to say bye-bye. Okay. I really love you guys, and then like I really want to see you guys like again very really quick soon. Yeah, concert, and then like meet and greet something or like meet and greet with FairPrice and Lotte Mart, weren't they? Next year. Great. Next year is very soon. Next year is very soon. Okay. I promised with them. Okay. And then like we will see like very soon, and like I will come here as soon as possible. And then I love you guys. Thank you so much. And then, like eat healthy, stay safe.
Come back.
Yeah. And then love you. I will go. 사랑해요 여러분. 사랑해요. 롯데마트에서 재밌게 즐기다 가세요 여러분. Please having fun. Love you.
store and exploring the store. So in the meantime, we have more in store for you. Later on, we'll have our chefs, our bartender, and don't forget, we're giving away DAYOUNG